I can drive around the city and I can point out different buildings that I built should last longer than me. Once you gain the skills, they can never be taken away. And at the end of the day, you can see what you accomplished. I really enjoy that part of it. Here in the Masonry Shop, we learn all aspects of the trade: bricklaying, tile setting, concrete, stone masonry. We try to go over as many aspects of the trade as possible to allow the student to make their choice when they graduate, what direction they want to take.
I've been interested in construction since a young age, so I just really like all the different aspects of masonry. There's many different things you can do with it.
You start with block freshman year and brick, and you learn how to start building with those tools, learning how to use a level, learning how to use chalk line and tape measure. Junior year, when you come back, it gets a little bit more advanced. We focus a lot on concrete. You have the opportunity to pursue the construction management field, or you can pursue the advanced masonry track. And the senior year is where you have that opportunity to really start doing the specialized things, the tile setting and the stone masonry. You work on your fireplaces in your final project. You also do a stair project and a door project. When you get done your shop projects, you're able to then work on whatever you want. So we've had students build working pizza ovens, working outdoor fireplaces. There's a lot of historic buildings here on campus. We use time-appropriate materials to restore, and we teach the students the right way to do that.
On campus, I've had the opportunity to point 2 buildings. I've built paver walkways, concrete walkways.
There's a huge need for masons right now. If you want to go work with your tools, there's lots of job availability. If you want to work for yourself and start your own business in the construction management field, there's opportunity there, whether you want to be a superintendent or a project manager.
We've had many projects on campus, which gives me a resume that's very different from most other people, so it's a great opportunity to get skills that you might not be able to get anywhere else.